Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 12 CBSE Maths Integrals Exercise 7.4 question number 21. Let's see the question. Integrate x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx. Here, if you differentiate the denominator, you will not get the numerator as we have 2x plus 2. Usually we will think that for integrating any differentiation is possible because we don't have any division rule. So here we will be having, you can think you can multiply a 2. If I multiply a 2 to the numerator, this becomes 4, which is not possible. Here we want 2. So it is not possible of taking the denominator differentiation for numeration. For that reason, we can take the question. We can take the numerator as, let the numerator be, this can be written as numerator is a into differentiation of the denominator. To make it the same, a into differentiation of the denominator plus b. So numerator can be written as a into differentiation of the denominator. So solving only this, we get x plus 2 is equal to a into differentiation, it becomes 2x plus 2 plus b. We are solving the like terms, that is the x term alone, it becomes x is equal to 2ax. So xx cancel, a is equal to 1 by 2. So we have found a. For the constant term, if I multiply this, it becomes 2a plus b is equal to 2. Substitute a value is 1 by 2. While substituting, this get cancelled. So b is equal to 1. We got our a, we got our b. So substitute in the question here. In this, in the place of the numerator, x plus 2 by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. I can write this to be a into the, a is 1 by 2. As 1 by 2 is a coefficient, I can write it separately, and then it becomes a into 2x plus 2 by the denominator, which is root of x square plus 2x plus 3. I am writing the denominator separately, numerator separately, it becomes plus b. b is 1. So dx by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. Here we need to integrate both the terms. So I am taking this to be I1 and this to be I2. Separately I am going to integrate both the terms. So I am taking I1. So I1, we know that this is the differentiation of the numerator. It becomes 2x plus 2, which is there in the numerator, means I can take, let u is equal to the denominator without the root. So it becomes x square plus 2x plus 3. Now your du is equal to 2x plus 2 dx. Substituting value here, it becomes half. Here in the numerator place, the total thing can be written as du by the denominator, which is root u. Root u can be written as u power minus half. I am taking it to the numerator, it becomes, as it is a root, it becomes half. Taking to the numerator, it becomes minus half. Now it is in the form of x power n dx, means we know that x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now here this becomes half into u power half minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1 plus c. So it becomes half u power half by half. This get cancelled. Now we have u power half alone. So u power half means plus c, this is nothing but u power half can be written as root u plus c, root u value is this. So we can directly write it to be root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. So this is your final integration of answer for I1. I am going to do I2. I2, if you see, it is integration of dx by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. The numerator differentiation is not in the denominator, means as it is in square root and a square number, I can go with completing the square formula alone. So the only method is completing the square method, which we have learnt in 10th standard, but I'll teach you one easy method to solve it. Here we know that the given thing is dx by root of x square plus 2x plus 3. For completing the square method, take alone the x square term and the x term. X square term, x term, here is x square plus 2x means I want to change this to a plus b the whole square formula. A plus b whole square is, without changing the question, to change a plus b whole square is take the x coefficient. We know that x coefficient is 2. Take that to be b. You are always a is x. For b, x coefficient divided by 2 will be your b. If I cancel this 2, it becomes 1. So your b is 1 means a plus b whole square. Immediately write minus b square. B square is 1 square plus 3. Now this becomes integration dx by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus 2. Here plus 2 can be written as integration dx by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square. Root 2 the whole square, because in the square only we have formula, so I am changing this to 2 as root 2 the whole square, where square and square cancel, it's nothing but 2. Now we got dx, integration of dx by root of x plus 1 the whole square plus root 2 the whole square. So 2 we have written it as root 2 the whole square. This is in the form of dx by root of x square plus a square. So root of x square plus a square means we have the formula of log mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Now we are going to apply this formula in the place of this. So this becomes, according to the question, this becomes log mod, in the place of x we have x plus 1 plus root of, even for this we can directly write the question, because from this dx by root of x square plus 2x plus 3 we have formed this. So we can directly write this here, x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Already we got I1 to be, we have solved I1 and we got this as answer. So this includes your final answer. So root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus log mod x plus 1 plus root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c is your final answer for the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.